Welcome, everybody, to the Illinois Science and Technology Park. We're immensely proud of this, and we have a very special guest today. He's not a stranger to Skokie. If there's anybody in the state of Illinois who understands the value of science and technology, it's our governor. Last year, he campaigned on a platform of investing and reinvesting in education, science, technology, and economic development.
You know, as we stand here in a science and technology park, I'm reminded that we often don't toot our own horns here in Illinois enough. And some of you may not, I like to think of all the superlatives that one can say about the state that people don't often know about our state. So I'm going to just repeat a couple of them and tell you we added one yesterday. But let me start with, we're the second largest producer, this state, of computer science degrees in the entire nation. That's a big deal, but you don't hear people talk about it enough. We're the fourth largest producer of business degrees in the entire nation in Illinois, and we're the fifth largest producer of data scientists in the nation. That sets us up for success going forward, and it's a big deal, and people should pay attention to it. But yesterday we had one more addition to that, and that was that 1871, the incubator, the technology incubator in Chicago, was named the #1 private business incubator in the entire world. Yeah, it's a big deal, right here in our state. You know, Illinois is a hub of commerce and transit, not just for this nation, but for the global economy. We're the fifth largest economy in the United States, and we're the crossroads for companies who use our roads and our bridges and our airports and our rivers and our people to move their products all across America. Illinois now has a new message for the world. Illinois is back, and we are open for business. There's still work ahead. It's clear. We have a lot to do. But together we can build a state that truly serves as a beacon for families and businesses and good-paying jobs. I know that this community's future is bright, and I'm very happy to be here today to celebrate its future with all of you.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for coming to our community to help us highlight the strengths of Rebuild Illinois, the vision behind it, and why we were so incredibly proud to support it and fight for it. And how fitting that you are here at the Skokie Technology Park, which is all about innovation and development. And as the governor said, as we look forward to finding new ways, innovative solutions to address some of our most intractable problems, we are thrilled, proud, and excited to kick it off right here in Skokie at the Science and Technology Park, where all of you are working hard every day to bring new ideas to strengthen our communities. So thank you so much, Governor, for being here. We look forward to partnering with you in the days, weeks, months ahead to continue to rebuild Illinois from the ground up.
And I also want to thank him for bringing our state together. I was on the subcommittee of capital needs, where we travel the state from Edwardsville to Chicago, and there are folks that want to pit one community versus another. The reality is Edwardsville has transportation infrastructure needs, so does Chicago. We can do this together as one state, and he's the one that helped make that happen.
Now
so I want to thank him for that.
We have a cheerleader in the governor's office who shares the same vision as we do. We want to rebuild Illinois. We want to make Illinois a destination state. And with this legislation, not only are we fixing our roads and our bridges, but we are looking at the state with a moral compass. And we are improving our universities, our human services. We're making sure that our K through 12 education is there so our students can thrive.
Announcement. And it's really great that Mr. Gluck and American Landmark made this, Illinois Science and Technology Park available to us to have this announcement. This Science and Technology Park is a hub for innovators that encourages the expansion and growth of trailblazing industries and houses some of the largest lab space in the state of Illinois. This place that we are at today represents the future of economic growth for both the state of Illinois and downtown Skokie. And I'm so excited that the governor is here today in Skokie to partner with us.